welcome back. We're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm not going to be talking throughout this video, so it's going to be a voiceover, but I just wanted to come on here and wish you guys an amazing February. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. It's been years since I filmed any type of Valentine's Day look, so I thought that I would get one up for you guys because I haven't in so long. So I wanted to do this pink, pretty, like Valentine's Day inspired look. I'm kind of playing off of the purple in my dress. I don't know, I just wanted something fun, sexy, but still girly, you know? So this is what I went with. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Starting out with my brows. I like to define my brows with my Jordana brow pencil. So it's been a while since I've done any sort of brow video for you guys, so I figured I'd include this step in this video so you guys could see how I do them. So I'm just filling them in with the brown pencil. I'm pretty sure this color is Coco Loco. I'm not 100% sure. You know what, you guys? I will list it down below for you as always. And then I'm just going in with my concealer by LA Girl Cosmetics. I like to use medium beige and warm honey. So I started out with medium beige and then I just went over it with warm honey. And then I'm just blending everything out with my beauty blender. I'm also applying my setting powder here by Sacha Cosmetics. And I just blend all of that out as well. And this is just going to keep my concealer from creasing, and basically it's going to set it. So for my eyes, I'm going in my crease with the color Escape. I'm using the BH Weekend Festival palette here. I'm just blending that color into my crease. And then on my eyelid, I'm going with Lippie, that pink color. So this palette is super colorful. It has so many great colors in it. And then next, I'm going in with Swag. And I'm just putting that in the outer corners of my eyes and then blending it up into my crease. And then last but not least, we're going in with Wicked in the deep corner and underneath my waterline area. And we're just going to be blending all of that in with this like slanted blending brush. And then I'm just going in with Magical on my brow bone. So in my inner corners, I know you guys can't really see it, but I used a gold color called Euphoria from the same palette. I forgot to show it to you guys, so forgive me for that. And then I'm just going in with some black liquid liner from Fenty Cosmetics. I mean, how can you guys not love Fenty? I'm obsessed. This is not a waterproof eyeliner though. That's my only complaint with this eyeliner. I love it, but I wish they made a waterproof one. Hopefully they will, because it does come off if your eyes water or anything like that. So that's sort of annoying, but other than that, I'm obsessed with this liner. And the sponge pen tip is actually really flexible, which is something that's super important for me. And then I'm just going to be contouring with my Prime Beauty bronzer. I love this bronzer. They are a black owned business, guys. I've done tons of videos on them, so make sure you check them out. And then I'm going back in with some more Fenty Beauty highlighter on my lip and on my nose. So I just lined my lips with Coco Loco by Jordana, so that's actually not the color I used on my brows. I'll list it down below. And then on my lips, I'm going in with Teenage Dream, and this is by NYX Cosmetics, which I love the NYX Powder Puff Lippies. If you guys want to see a full video on those, I have one up on my channel. I can link it down below if you're really truly interested. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll link it down below. And then I'm just going in with some blush from a BH palette that I love. It's just a pink color, nothing crazy. I really wanted this look to be girly and just really like pink. And then for lashes, I forget the name of the brand, but I will list it because they're a super affordable brand that makes these mink-like lashes. They're not mink lashes, but they sort of have that fullness of a mink lash. So I love them, and they're like $2.99 a pack, so I'll definitely list those down below. I'm blending in my lashes with the falsies so I can get rid of any like residue that was left on my lashes. And then that's it, guys. I mean, this is pretty much the final look. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next tutorial.